Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to give you a short overview over the cPanel dashboard. Let's start. First of all, when you log into your cPanel, you get an interface like this. Here is your primary domain mentioned. For me, it's a temporary domain for now, and you can check if your SSL certificate is active or not, the shared IP address which is given by your hosting provider, and the home directory and the last login IP address. The cPanel theme is now set to Jupyter. Jupyter is only available here, so you cannot change it. And here are all your limits. The limits which is given by your hosting provider, like the disk usage, the database disk usage, the PostgreSQL disk usage, and the bandwidth, add-on domains, subdomains, etc. For me, I don't have any add-on domains right now. I don't have any subdomains right now. So it's all set to 0, but I have a one database, so it's set to 1. And when you scroll below, you'll see different stats like the CPU usage, the entry process, the physical memory usage, the IOPS, the IO usage, and number of processes. Now, after we have covered the right hand side, here are the different tools that really make cPanel a very powerful hosting panel. Here is an email section from where you can manage everything related to your emails, like create an email accounts or set up a forwarder, email routing, set up an autoresponders, and many things. Also, cPanel provides you calendar with your webmail, so you can check out the calendar too. And when you scroll down, there's a files section where you will see different options like the file manager, the images you have in your file manager, and the directory privacy, how much disk usage you have done, the web disk, and also if you want to access your cPanel through FTP, you can also do that through the FTP accounts section in the files section. So after you scroll down, there is a databases section where you have different database features like phpMyAdmin, manage databases, the database wizard, remote database access, basically all the database that you have in your cPanel, and the database managers like phpMyAdmin or phppgadmin. Now when you scroll down, there's a domain section. Like in this domain section, you can manage everything related to your domain. Like you can set up a redirect, you can configure the DNS records through the zone editor option, you can manage your subdomains, you can create a subdomain through this domain section. And after you scroll down, there's this metrics section, and there are the various options here, like the how many visitors you are getting in your site, the quality of your site, the errors that users are facing while accessing your sites. And this is metric section is basically a report of how your website is going. And below here is a security section like SSH access through to your cPanel. You can block a specific IP to your website if you want, the SSL certificates that you have owned, the API tokens, the Immunify 360, which is a firewall extension, and here are different softwares that is given by cPanel like WordPress or a Node.js, Python, Ruby, Accelerate, WP, or you can also select the PHP version from here. Now as you scroll down here, there is an advanced section where like you have the Lightspeed Redis Cache Manager, Lightspeed Web Cache Manager, the terminal, the cron jobs you have in your cPanel. You can track a DNS or the Apache handler. Now in this preferences section is the preferences of your cPanel account, like your contact information, or you can also change the password from here. You can change the language and basically the settings of your cPanel account. Also, if you want to download various scripts to Softaculous, you can go down and click on this Softaculous app installer, and here are different scripts that you can download like Laravel, Joomla, WordPress, PHP WHMCS, etc. Now, for an easier setup to your WordPress, you can click on this WordPress Manager by Softaculous. And by filling these various options, you can create a WordPress site. We'll talk about WordPress and various things in later video of this series. So yeah, this is basically your cPanel interface, and I have given a short guide over the cPanel, and we will deep dive into these features in the video we'll be posting later. So thank you everyone for watching this video.